This is our next attempt at writing out a pattern. This is the baby blanket version of, right here is the completed product. This is a swatch. I had also made this in a big full-size blanket. My photography skills have gotten, no, actually it's the camera.
It's the tools.
We have,
knitting has always been great. Technology needed to catch up to the beauty, okay? The iPhones, the phones now.
The first time, I don't remember what kind of camera this is. I think it was one of those old digital jobs.
Yeah.
And then, but anyway, this is the baby version. And we did the little swatch of the middle portion. This is just our wheat.